Hello everyone, this is Shafali. This video is especially for all those women who find it difficult to do everyday makeup and who just don't know how to do makeup like me. I don't know how to do it perfectly, and whenever I do it, I look like a clown. So let's go ahead, not waste time. I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup, and of course, sometimes when I go to parties, I do the same thing. How I do it by using two lipsticks. Yes, only two lipsticks. I use them as eyeshadow, lipstick, blush. Apart from this, of course, I have used kajal, which is, let me show you, it's Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I have used an eyebrow pencil also, which is again from Lakme. This is not what my video is all about, and that is why I'm not going to stress upon these products. um, for the base, I'll just be quick with you and tell you. I have used Lotus Makeup Express Glow 10 in 1 daily cream SPF 25. That's all I have used, nothing else on my face. I do have moles, not blemishes, but moles I do have, and um, I don't have baby skin, but still I don't put a lot of products on my face, and that is something which I have taken from my mother. She also doesn't use products on her face, and she has never. She's 60 above, and this is what she has taught to me and my sister. And see, it works well for your skin. Okay, let's not waste time. So I have with me is matte ink Maybelline New York Super Stay 60 Poet lip color. This is one of my favorite lip colors, apart from this one, which I'll show you. So this is all those women who love to put nude on their lips. Nude lip color. Yes. So this is a yummy nude lip color. See? I just love this lip color. You can use this lip color as an eyeshadow. Not of course on your cheeks, because it dries up and it might look a little cakey if you are smiling or probably laughing. Other lip shade that I have that I'm going to share with you, which always remains with me, is this Pink Perfect from Lakme 9 to 5 range. This is matte. I'll just swatch it out here. Love this color. Both of these colors stay on your lips for long and are non-transferable, which is a good thing. This of course is unmatchable and probably the best in the market right now, and not that expensive, but the color range of this Lakme 9 to 5 is outstanding, and of course it doesn't make your lips dry. So this is the reason that I love it. Let's just give it up. Let's do what we are here for. This is the lipstick that I've chosen, and I've already told you what it is. I'm going to put it first. I'll do my cheeks. I'm going to put it on my cheeks like this. It's a very simple thing. I mean, I'm not a makeup expert. I just don't know how to do it. I'm a fool when it comes to makeup, so I'll just tell you how a layman would do. So I have smeared it. Now I'll smudge it with a finger. Just blend it. I'm not looking like a monkey. I'll blend a little more from the side. I told you I don't know how to do it, so I think it's just it's fine now. And now I'll just do a little dot on my nose. Okay, here, chin, and a little bit on my temple, like a bindi I've done. Again, I'll blend it. See, I'm just blending it from here also so that it looks natural. Just blending it. See how it comes perfectly on your face. I told you. If I were going to a party, then I would have definitely used this lip color on my eyes as an eyeshadow also. But since I want an everyday look, I'll use this one from Lakme 60 Poet here as an eyeshadow, like this. This gives you a very natural look, simple and natural look. Very sophisticated color. I love it. This looks especially good when you do smoky eyes. This is a nude color. It is best suited for I think every skin type. It goes good with dusky skin also, fair skin, wheater skin. I told you I'm in love with this color. I don't know why many women are shy away from using this. See, I'm taking it upwards, little upwards, to give edgy look to my eyes. See, it's so simple. It's not looking overdone. Now I'll use this lipstick shade. Again, I'll tell you, it's been perfect. I'm done. I'm not a makeup person. I don't know how to do it, and I don't regret it really, because if I could do my whole face makeup with just 2 shades, then I don't need to get into so much fuss. Honestly, I don't use many products on my face, and whenever I tried it, I have ended up looking like a clown, seriously. So if you're looking for fuss-free makeup like me, then please try this trick, and please subscribe, share, and like my video if you have truly liked it, so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much.